Tilted Trader here. Welcome back to another video for my daily review. Today is the very first day of Q2. Today's April 3rd, Monday, 2023, and I'm gonna share with you my trades for the day here. So I took in total three trades. Unfortunately, three losing trades. I'm not really off to a good start to the quarter. My first trade here was SPY. I traded SPY calls. First looking at the weekly here, had a strong move up to the on last week, so I thought there would be some continuation with some strength to the upside here. So I played calls. We narrow down to smaller time frames here. So I took my first entry at 10:09 today, which was roughly around here. So this is my 2 minute chart. So like I roughly around here, these candles here. Honestly, I'm not really too happy about this entry. It's pretty long and overextended to the upside here. Um, so I got a little faked out because it did continue afterwards after my entry here, but I guess I got a little scared and I just closed my position quickly. So that was my first trade on SPY, and then I took another trade on Tesla. I took two trades on Tesla following. So these trades are what really killed me today. My first Tesla trade was at 10:16, which was roughly around here, and I played puts. Quite frankly, I don't know why I played puts here. I guess the game plan was if it breaks this zone that I have here, and I thought I waited for a confirmation, but I was very, very premature with my entry. I didn't even let this candle close, and I jumped in thinking that it would continue downwards, but no, it kind of went upwards, and I had to, cut my losses. And so I sold for a pretty hefty loss here, but then eventually it went back down. So clearly I was very, very impatient. My entries were, my execution on my entry was really, really poor. So I need to do a better job with that. And then my second trade with Tesla was playing calls almost immediately after, literally 5 seconds after, at 10:22 a.m. So yeah, you know what? At 10:22, this is where I sold the first one for the puts, and then I entered again in this same candle to go up. Pretty much at this point, I'm very tilted, right? Like I'm not thinking anymore. Literally, I hop in to another trade within 5 seconds, going the opposite direction, and then what does it do? It just backfires and goes the opposite way. So I'm clearly not thinking today. Um, Definitely got my emotions taken over. Definitely was trading on tilt by the time I got to the third trade. I did not respect my stop losses on these trades. The only stop loss I respected was on my SPY trade. And yeah, I'm really not happy with today's results. It's not a really good start to the quarter for me. Um, just to give you another visual here. I guess the SPY, I wanted to play the continuation play, like I said before, it was going upwards. I saw it consolidate. But I got a little, I guess, a little scared with these red candles and sold it. So, I definitely sold too soon, but at least I had a planned stop loss, which is to get out at 250 per contract, and I followed just that. So, I'm happy with that. But these two Tesla trades, man, really, really, really disappointed. Like playing puts here, like look at this, just straight up, like strong strength to the upside here. So, and then, I had to cut my losses here. With Tesla contracts, they move really, really, really like crazy. They make some pretty big swings here. So this, what was it from like roughly 160, 196 to 197, like so 1 point really, really destroyed me. And you can see my running P&L right here. Like it was not good. Yeah, so basically there was no setup, no confirmation. I know Tesla has some news today regarding like how many vehicles they sold in Q1. And I think they had an upgrade from Goldman Sachs with a buy rating. So that's why I pay attention to Tesla today. And then last trade here, yeah. And the 5 seconds later entered in calls and it just immediately backfired. So all in all, just I'm trading until no setup. Just terrible, terrible, terrible trading. Really no discipline, no patience. Yeah. So that's my trading for today. I hope you guys performed way better than I did. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully, tomorrow going forward, I could do better, learn from my mistakes, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.